Hello, my name is Pedro Carrasco. I'm a marine ecologist. My area of expertise is on marine ecosystem models. Currently, I'm doing a PhD in Germany, in which I'm trying to create models to study biodiversity in complex ecosystems.
And I am Andréa Mesquita. I'm a marine biologist, and my research area focuses on the foraging ecology of baleen whales. My PhD will be in the University of New Brunswick, focusing on habitat modeling of an endangered whale species in Canadian waters.
I'm Antonella de Cian. I'm a marine biologist, and my expertise is on marine ecology and biological oceanography. I'm doing my PhD in Argentina, and I study the effect of dust storms from Patagonia on phytoplankton communities in the coast.
Our planet is practically an ocean, with almost 2/3 parts covered by it. So whatever happens there will influence our life. And it provides us with food, recreation, and it is a big part of our economy. So it is crucial to understand the role of the ocean in the Earth's climate and its influence in our society.
In this club, we will study how water masses move and influence the oceanographic conditions from global to local scales, and also how we conduct research, ocean research, and how we work with this data in the laboratory.
Yeah, and the idea of the club is to cover 3 complex topics in a friendly way: the movement of the ocean, life in the ocean, and the changing ocean. And from how scientists studies the ocean, considering 3 main aspects: its physical characteristics like water masses, currents, and tides; the biological components referring to the ecology of marine ecosystems; and the role of the ocean in climate change, both from an intrinsic changes as well as the consequences over coastal countries.
We will provide the cluberos with presentations to explain the topics in detail, and we will also have workshops to analyze the data.
And for that, we will use online data repositories like Ocean Data View, Ocean Data Color, and others. And also software that will help us to make sense of this data, like ODB, R, and QEIS.
Our club on hands-on activities. But first, we will introduce each topic with presentations of around 30 to 40 minutes. Some topics will be presented by our guests, who are young ocean professionals from all around the world, and also experts in the topic. The practical part will have teams working on different parts of the ocean using data from satellite imagery.
The oceans surround us and provide us with plenty of resources. It is this place in which life probably began, and it should be our reason to look forward into the future. So remember that understanding our ocean is the first step to protect it. Join us to learn more about the ocean together.
The ocean and its mysteries. Even though humans are already exploring other planets, there is a lot to know about the deep blue on Earth. There are huge processes in the ocean that happens just in front of your eyes all the time and everywhere. And we come from countries where the ocean is key for food and international trade, but we exploit it without sustainable practices that considers biodiversity and ecosystem resilience, and that's an important issue.
It's David Attenborough. He has this brilliant trajectory in education, and he engages millions of people in diverse topics in science.
Mine is Sylvia Earle. She's an oceanographer and a scientist advocating for ocean protection and conservation on biodiversity in the oceans. And Sylvia is also known as her deepness because of her extraordinary diving skills.
For me, it's Martin Hernandez. He's a scientist specialized in ocean acidification from Mexico, and he's an amazing professor.
Graduating biology in our home countries. We met in Germany in 2019 during this international training in observational oceanography at the Alfred Wegener Institute, and currently we are PhD candidates still continue researching oceanography. Antonella is in the National University of Patagonia, San Juan Bosco in Argentina. Pedro is in the Alfred Wegener Institute in Germany, and I will start in the University of New Brunswick in Canada. The academic experience has been demanding, but also very fulfilling. It required determination and then working with other researchers from diverse expertise.
Pursuing a career in STEM fields requires commitment, determination, and passion. Science is a demanding but also rewarding field. It is demanding because it takes a lot of reading, critical thinking, and communication skills to become a good scientist. But it's also rewarding because working in science allows us to discover how nature works, to generate new, more advanced technology, and in general, to improve human life quality. In our view, a good scientist is proactive and seeks always new opportunities, knowledge, and challenges.
In an undergraduate program, it is important to be in contact with the activities that interest you and observe what motivates you. We advise to experience the topics you are interested in by volunteer and looking for internship opportunities before diving into a graduate program.